Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix iPhone Notes app not showing notes on iPhone after iOS 18 update. So guys, as you can see right now I have only one note. Let's solve this issue. So first of all, open the settings on your device and then tap on your Apple ID at the top of the page and tap iCloud. Now tap on see all to see more options. Here tap on notes and make sure that sync this iPhone is on. If it's already on, then turn it off, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. So friends, after turning it on, your notes will now start appearing on your iPhone. So as you can see, the notes are downloading now.